Hi guys! We are back with an unboxing of video and I'm super excited to unbox this kasi ito po yung ating Nemo version ng album po ng Stray Kids na 8. Yes guys, medyo laylo muna ang mga person sa pagkakalat ng photo cards and stuff kasi medyo limited yung budget natin as of the moment. Yes, but we will try to slowly collect Felix's photo card kasi hindi pwedeng ma-miss out natin itong era na to guys. But I bought this nung pre-order pa dun sa kanilang JYP shop. So let's see kung si Felix yung mapupul natin na POB card. I hope so guys. Ayan na po. OMG. Ooh! OMG! Ang cute naman yung pag ganito. Wait lang guys. So, ito po yung album. Ito po yung Nemo version. Yes. And, katulad po nito, I like it. I like this album so much. They definitely it. Yeah. Guys, so, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. I bought this from Apricot & Co. PH. So, ayan po. You can check yung shop niya. And I've been buying albums and photo cards sa kanila for quite some time na guys. OMG! Sensya naman guys. I love this look. I love this photo. Okay. So, isa-isa muna na yung freebies. Sobrang excited yarn. Ito po. Ang cute. Pati yung likod. Panalo yung freebies. I love it. OMG. Ang cute, diba? Ang cute ng freebies. Ano ba? Pasensya na guys. Tinitigan na lang natin yung photo. Pasensya na ba? Ako lang to. And pasensya na rin po kung may maririnig kayo biglang tumatahol ng mga fur babies kasi masyado pong mataas yung energy ng mga fur babies ko. OMG. Wait lang. I don't know. Is this the pre-order card? I don't know. Oh. Wait. Ito nga ata yun. Yes. Yes. Unfortunately guys, hindi po si Felix. But, we're not complaining kasi ang cute naman po ni Ayn. OMG guys, jump in. So, ito po yung pre-order card from JYP shop if I'm not mistaken. Kaya po siya naka-sleeves. And, may kasama rin pong sticker. Yup, may sticker po nakasama. So, yes, another era na hindi po si Felix yung ating pub. Pero, I'm not complaining. And let's see if makakuha tayo ng pub ni Felix. Anyways, ito po yung album nila. So, check na natin. Last era, ito din po yung binili ko. Gantong version din po yung binili ko. Yes, because marami pong mga gastusin ng mga person. Eh, hindi po tayo makatodo ng pag-purchase ng mga album nila. And, hindi rin po tayo nakasecure ng concert tickets. So, I'm so sad. Anyways, it is what it is. OMG, they look so good, yan, Jen. OMG. And then Felix, guys. OMG. Pasensya naman. Puro OMG na lang yung ating video. So, i-open na natin. Okay. Okay, so ayan po yung loob. Makikita niyo po. And I'll try. Okay, so hindi ko naman agad nakita yung ating random photo card. So ito po yung loob ng cover. Meron ganito yung QR something. Okay, so isa-isahin na lang natin guys. So, first, our best leader. Yan siya. Okay. Leo. Oh, you look so good here. Okay. Grabe naman tong look na yun, Jane. Ano ba? Saan siya naman po? Ako lang to. Ang intense ng reaction natin, guys. Namiss ko na rin mag-film ng reaction video. So, let's see soon kung meron tayong magawa. But, as of filming, medyo marami kasi tayo guys, mga ganap sa live. And yeah. Okay. So akala ko yun yung random card. So, join magnet tayo for today's era. For this era. Yes, guys. OMG. That wing. Oh, cute. So cute. So ito yung yung may QR sa likod. Ayan, guys. Ganyan siya. So, isa lang yung random. Pasensya naman, guys. Hindi kasi ako nakapanood ng mga unboxing. So, ito po. So, uwing-uwi naman po sa atin. Yes, guys. And we are not complaining. We are not complaining. We love it. And, again, I purchased this one from Apricot and Co. PH. And you can check kung meron pa silang mga available stocks. And, don't forget to stream lahat ng song, lahat ng album ng Stray Kids. And that's it. Sana po na-enjoy yung unboxing natin. And see you sa mga future unboxing. Stray Kids dominate. Bye-bye!